So in this question, you have a culture of bacteria. You have 21 bacteria in this culture. It doubles every day. Which of the following formulas represents the number of bacteria P in the culture after T days? So this 21 bacteria, well, you'd start with 21, and then it doubles. So the next day, you'd have 42. And then the next day, it doubles, you'd have 84. The next day, that doubles, and you'd have 168. That doubles, so on and so forth. So we're just taking that number and doubling it every time. So we want to figure out a formula that gives us these outputs, okay? And since this doubles every day, we're dealing with an exponential. And I'll just go ahead and let you in on the secret. So if it doubles every day, you use a 2. If it triples every day, we'd use a 3. If it quadruples every day, we'd use a 4 there. So use a 2. And on that 2, you have your time, T. So T is in days here. It says after T days, and it says it doubles every day. So my T is in the same unit of days. So if I just said P equals 2 to the T, well, that's 1 that doubles every day. You would start with a single cell that doubles every day, or a single bacteria. You would just get 2. You'd first have 1, and then you'd have 2, then you'd have 4, and then you'd have 8. That's what this represents. 1, 2, 4, 8. How do I know that? Well, if I put a 0 in for T, I get 1. If I put a 1 day for T, I'd get a 2. If I put a 2 in for T, I'd get a 4. If I put a 3 in for T, I get an 8. So that's how I know that, and so on and so forth. That's what this is showing me, okay? This is for one bacteria that doubles every day, and it doubles every day to get these values. Well, I don't want to start with 1. I want to start with 21. So what I need to do then is put in the front here a 21. Let's take these outputs and multiply them by 21. Because 1 times 21 is 21. 2 times 21 is 42. 4 times 21 is 84. And 8 times 21 is 168. So, if none of that makes sense, your formula for this is your initial value, whatever your initial value is here, my initial value is 21, and you multiply it by a base, and this base is like doubles or triples or quadruples, so that's the base number that goes there, and your time is a power that goes on top here. So it looks like it would be this one.